Hidden inside you is a 30-foot biological assembly line. From the first bite to the final exit, this is the untold story of digestion.
Step 1. Total destruction. Your teeth are hydraulic crushers, smashing food to increase surface area while the saliva cannons fire.
But it's chemical warfare too. Before you even swallow, an enzyme called amylase is already melting sugar down at a molecular level.
Then, the plunge. The epiglottis acts like a trapdoor, snapping shut over your lungs. One wrong move here, you choke. Gravity doesn't move food. Muscle does. The esophagus squeezes the cargo down with a powerful rhythmic wave called peristalsis.
At the bottom lies the first gatekeeper, the sphincter. It opens to let fuel in, then locks tight to stop the burning acid from escaping.
Your stomach is a churning cavern pumping out hydrochloric acid, stuff strong enough to dissolve razor blades.
Why don't you digest yourself? You have a biological force field, a thick layer of mucus shielding the walls from their own chemical weapon. It's not just sitting there. 3 layers of muscle twist, crush, and violently churn the food into a liquid sludge called chyme. Once it's liquefied, the pyloric valve opens the floodgates.
But slowly.
Teaspoon by teaspoon, it feeds the beast below.
We enter the duodenum, the mixing bowl. This is where the real chemistry happens, and that burning acid must be neutralized now.
Enter the firefighter, the pancreas. It blasts the mix with bicarbonate to kill the acid and enzymes to shred proteins. The liver joins the fight, dumping green bile. Think of this as industrial-grade detergent, smashing grease blobs into tiny droplets.
Now, the marathon begins. For the next 20 feet, the food takes a winding roller coaster ride through the jejunum and ileum. Look closer. The walls aren't smooth. They're lined with millions of tiny fingers called villi.
This is the border crossing. Nutrients slip through these fingers and rush into your blood, fueling every single cell in your body.
By the time we hit the end, 90% of the good stuff is gone. We cross the ileocecal valve and enter the wasteland. This is the colon, a segmented, dry processing plant designed for one thing: reclaiming water from the leftovers. It acts like a vacuum, sucking moisture back into your blood. Too fast? Diarrhea. Too slow? Welcome to constipation. You are not alone. Trillions of bacteria live here. They ferment the fiber you couldn't eat and pay rent by making vitamin K.
And here's the appendix. Not useless at all, it's a panic room for good bacteria to hide in when you get sick.
The end of the line, the rectum. Sensors here trigger the brain, signaling that the cargo is ready for drop-off.
It's a mix of automatic and manual control. The final sphincter waits for your command.
It's a refinery, a fortress, and an engine. It turns dead matter into living energy. This is your digestive system.
Subscribe to Uncovered Layers